That's the elevation. You got the stone on the bottom, stone up top. So it's pretty simple. Alright, so this is the garage.
Yep.
Right, you got your hot water heater, your electric panel, everything is that's what's in the garage. Your cables, right there.
Okay.
Alright, you got a garage door opener.
Insulation here.
Yeah, insulation. There's the only part that gets insulation in the walls. Okay. This is where your air handler goes for the air conditioning.
Okay.
Alright, then you got right over here, first bedroom. This is the flex room.
Okay.
Alright, the bedroom slash office, wherever people want to decide to make it. One closet. Each bedroom has a fan box light. It'll be those gray boxes if you want to.
Okay.
Show them. Those are gray boxes. So you get one in the living room, you get them in each bedroom, and you get them on the porch.
Okay.
So those are all fixed for fans.
Okay.
All right, and each room gets a vent and a passageway above the door.
Okay. So when's the drywall start?
I got inspections set up between today and Monday.
With the county?
We do 3 inspections. Right, so we got Weintraub, private provider, because all inspections are private providers. Skytech, another independent, and then 2 Trails, another independent.
Okay, so all your independents.
Yeah. So they all do their inspections, and I can't. With my private provider, I can't get my CO unless all 3 of these pass.
Gotcha. Okay.
All right, so we'll head over here. Got the 1 hallway bathroom, tub, toilet, sink, single sink. On either side of the doors, you got your linen closets, and on either side of the linen closets, you got each bedroom. Pretty much all the same, all the bedrooms. The one fan light back, one vent coming in, and the passage through the top doors.
Okay.
They'll be the same in the master, but the master also gets a cable.
Okay.
Living room and master bedroom are the only 2 rooms that get cable.
Cable. Okay.
Alright, so as you see with the air handler, the trunk goes throughout the whole house and branches off into each room from there.
Okay. And then that's what's that board cost attacked underneath?
What's that?
What's that?
The solar?
Solar, yeah. Is that solar board? Is that solar board? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it actually keeps the attic a lot cooler.
Yeah. I don't see it in a lot of places.
It actually reflects the heat out from the house. They're great. It does lower the attic probably about a good 20 degrees.
Okay.
You know?
Cool.
So on those hot summer days, instead of getting 130 degrees up there, you're about 100 degrees.
Right.
Okay. So, all right. So this is your bedroom. Kitchen. All right. So you got your refrigerator here, pantry. This will be your range and microwave.
Okay.
Dishwasher will go here. Your sink with the big granite top.
Okay.
For your island. Cabinets.
This is all that termite treated wood.
This is all the termite treated wood.
All the green is treated,
yes.
treated termite. Okay.
You have that's another thing that the county requires for a CO. So you do have a certificate for that.
Okay.
All right, like I said, there's your other fan light box in the living room.
Okay. So each bedroom in a master has this in the living room.
And the porch.
And the porch. Okay.
All right, then we go into the master bedroom. All right, so like I said, you got your 1 cable here.
Okay.
All right, none of the switches control any outlets in any of the bedrooms.
Okay.
So
they all work on their own.
Yeah, work on their own. Okay. And then you can come in here, you've got the big walk-in closet,
Okay.
the smaller one. As I like to call it, the female closet, male closet.
Nice. And this is the master bath.
There's the master bath. You got a toilet with a door here. You got your double sink and a shower stall.
Okay. This is your exhaust.
Yeah, you got exhaust. Everything exhausts through the roof. Nothing out the sides.
Okay.
Your microwave is a recirculating
It doesn't
microwave.
vent out.
Doesn't vent out.
Okay.
And like you see, you got all engineered trusses. All right, so your main structure of your house is the cinder block walls around the perimeter and the trusses that go from one side of the block to the other.
Okay. So it's
All this wood on the inside, all your interior walls have no bearing on
they're not
them.
bearing walls
Not
because
bearing
the trusses
walls.
carry everything.
Yep.
Okay.
Pretty much it's the perimeter and the trusses that hold this house together.
Okay. So if you ever want to move a wall, have at it.
Yeah, exactly. But don't cut the trusses.
Yes.
They are engineered for a reason, especially for hurricane type weather.
Gotcha.
So, yes.
Good to know.
Above any of our pay grades here.
Okay.
They are engineered for a reason.
Cool.
And that's pretty much your house. And you got the backyard.
All right.
Pretty much we see the silk fences where your property line is. You will have pins on all four corners of the lot.
Okay. Cool. So the next one's next door.
Yes.
Bang it out. Get it off the plate.
How do I stop this?
Your red button on top. Good.
So let's make sure. Looks like pretty much almost the same type. Oh, you got the one with the trellis above the garage.
Okay.
Right, that's one of our newer ones.
Okay.
With the stone, and you got a little trim up top.
Okay.
It's one of the nice. This is one of my favorite elevations. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
I love that trellis.
It was
above
already
the-
preset too, so that's good. So you didn't have a choice.
Yeah, I love the trellis above the garage.
Cool. Yeah, I can't wait to see
Yeah,
it.
yeah. It's, all right, so
Same
garage, same thing. All right, electric panel over there.
So they haven't really hooked all that stuff up
No,
yet.
they do that when they come in to do the trim.
Okay.
When they come to do the trim, they hook in everything.
Okay.
Okay. Right now, it's just pallets for the guys to do work.
Okay.
Continue with work.
Okay.
And plus, I need it for inspections, my roughing, and my tug, which
So
is
all
my
the powers,
meter.
they just don't have breakers for them yet.
Huh?
They had, all the wires in there still have the breakers in yet.
No breakers.
No breakers.
Like I said, they do that all when they do all the trim in the house.
Okay.
Alright, so you got your table, your water meter, hot water. These are the only walls to be insulated.
Okay.
All the ones on the exterior are aluminum foil insulation to cover the cinder block, okay? And then you got the stucco. So,
Okay.
well, I didn't mention in the last one, we do, to get a CO, and to get a CO, you know, go ahead,
Go ahead, you're fine. You're fine.
to get a CO, we gotta do blow door tests, so it does get leak tested, these houses.
Okay.
So we do not get a CO unless that test is passed.
Okay.
Okay, so you know everything's good.
Okay.
Windows are low E, keeps the heat out, keeps it cool in.
The window's already in for this unit.
They're going in right now as we speak. Okay, this is your air handler room.
Okay.
Your laundry, washer,
This is the
dryer.
same floor plan as the other ones. Here.
Was it?
This is the same floor plan as that one.
Same floor plan, that way.
Right.
Alright, so you got your flex room except opposite sides.
Right.
Got your flex room here. Same thing, closet. Fan light boxes. You got fan light boxes in all the bedrooms, living room, and your porch. Those will be the gray boxes you see.
Okay.
Alright. Now your air handler room we saw, which goes to your trunk that goes up into your roof truss and sprouts out into each room. So you got one main trunk. No equipment up there. All the equipment is down here and easy accessible.
Okay.
By law, we're not allowed to do equipment up in the attic anymore.
Okay. Good to know.
Yeah, because you're taking care of it. Taking care is a lot easier
Down
with
there.
this than it is up there.
Okay.
And when we do our final walkthroughs, we'll go through the care of all that stuff.
Okay. Yep.
All right, you got your hallway bathroom here. You got your tub, toilet, one sink, linen closet on each side,
Nice.
with bedroom number 1 over here in the front, and bedroom number 2 right where the camera is. And you got your fan light box in each one. As you see, the about ready to turn your sliding door.
Yep.
All right, you got your kitchen here. This will be your refrigerator, pantry right here, microwave, self-circulating microwave, does not vent out, range, electric. You got your sink, dishwasher, cabinets, countertops right here. All right, and you got here, you got the 2 air conditioners, vents in the kitchen and 2 in your great room.
Okay.
All right, and as you can see, you got the 1 fan light box right there in the great room.
Okay.
Now your house comes with 2 cable jacks. 1 is in the living room, 1 is in the master bedroom. All right. As we head into the master bedroom,
What's that electrical box there?
that is for your smoke detector.
Oh, okay.
Remember, all your smoke detectors are hardwired. We'll go through that during the orientation.
Right.
All right, like I said, you got your 1 cable right there. All right. None of the switches control the outlets in any bedroom. All right, and then you come right through here. We have the walk-in closets, the female closet and the male closet, the bigger and the smaller one. And like I always say, they usually end up out of both closets eventually in the other bedroom. So, and then you got your toilet here that has a door, your double sink, and your stand-in shower.
Looks like a wrap.
And that's pretty much it, yeah.
Cool.
That's your house.
Thanks, Anthony. So we do another walkthrough after drywall.